Hello and welcome for this update video for the Sass extension for Visual Studio Code or VS Code for the updates 1.7 and 1.8. Let's get into it. Here we are inside of Visual Studio Code. Please ensure that your extension has actually updated. You can go to the Extensions menu, go to the Sass extension, and when you click on it, you should see the version tag 1.8.0. That's the most current extension, and this update will also include the extension update 1.7. With 1.7, the Spanish translation was added, so if you run VS Code in Spanish, you will now have all the UI elements of the Sass extension also in Spanish. Next, support for formatting your code by right-clicking into the cell or the program has been added. So you can right-click and format cell, format notebook, or in a program it would be called format document. And you can also see the appropriate keyboard shortcuts along with that. So you can auto format with just a key press. Next, we're gonna jump over to the settings where you can change the behavior of how SassLog shows up inside of VS Code. So go to the icon, the manage icon on the bottom left of VS Code, go to settings, and then on the left-hand side, extend the extensions part, go to Sass, and here you will find two new checkboxes that are checked by default called log show on execution start and log show on execution finish. This kind of changes the behavior of how the SassLog shows up while you're running stuff inside of the extension. So play around with them to fit your coding styles the best. Next up is improved function auto-completion. So you will notice that as you write out data step functions, for example, or using macro functions, you will get enhanced auto-completion help while doing this. Next up, two features related to the IOM connection to 9.4 environments is one, you now get colored logs back, as I have in my sample notebook right here. And you also now get better error reporting. So if you typed in your password incorrectly or you messed up maybe the port, it will now display a better error message in the terminal window. So that's very helpful if you are debugging your connection. The final new feature that was added is if we hop on over to the Explorer pane inside of the Sass extension, which this pane is currently only available for SassVia based connections. You can go to the Explorer, and here I'm in my folder. I can now right click it, say new file, and let's say we are going to create an example.sass file, and it will auto create it inside of my folder here and open it up in VS Code for me to start writing, running, and executing my Sass workload. I hope these new features are cool to you as they are to me, and I'm going to see you the next time we update the Sass extension for VS Code. Bye bye.